Hello guys, today I made a sea creatures iceberg and thought to show it with you guys. Warning, some creatures on this list may be disturbing to some viewers. Viewer discretion is advised. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. The leafy sea dragon, Phycodurus X, or glauert sea dragon, is a marine fish. It is the only member of the genus Phycodurus in the family Syngnathidae, which includes sea dragons, pipefish, and seahorses. It is also found at some parts of Australia. The red handfish, Thymicthes pilatus, is a critically endangered marine fish native to shallow waters off Tasmania, Australia. Measuring only about 2 to 4 inches long, it is famous for lacking a swim bladder and using large, hand-like pectoral fins to walk along the seafloor instead of swimming. The vampire squid, Vampiroteuthis infernalis, lit. Vampire squid from hell, is a small cephalopod found throughout temperate and tropical oceans in extreme deep-sea conditions. 2. 3. The vampire squid uses its bioluminescent organs and its unique oxygen metabolism to thrive in the parts of the ocean with the lowest concentrations of oxygen. Scotoplanes is a genus of deep-sea sea cucumbers in the family Alpideidae. The species in this genus are commonly known as sea pigs. Glaucus atlanticus. Common names include the blue sea dragon, sea swallow, blue angel, blue glaucus, dragon slug, blue dragon, blue sea slug, and blue ocean slug, is a species of sea slug in the family Glaucidae. 2. The giant squid, Architeuthis dux, is a species of deep ocean dwelling squid in the family Architeuthidae. It can grow to a tremendous size, offering an example of abyssal gigantism. Recent estimates put the maximum body size at around 5 meters 16 feet for females, with males slightly shorter. Chromodorus willarnei, commonly known as Willan's chromodorus, is a species of sea slug, a dorid nudibranch, a shell-less marine gastropod mollusk in the family Chromodoridae. The species is named for the renowned nudibranch taxonomist Dr. Richard C. Willan. The anglerfish are ray-finned fish in the order Lophiiformes, Lophiiformes. 2. Both the order's common and scientific name comes from the characteristic mode of predation, in which a modified dorsal fin ray acts as a lure for prey, akin to a human angler, and likened to a crest or lophos. The goblin shark, Mitsucurina austoni, is a rare species of deep-sea shark. Sometimes called a living fossil, it is the only extant representative of the family Mitsucurinidae, a lineage some 125 million years old. This pink-skinned animal has a distinctive profile with an elongated, flat snout and highly protrusible jaws containing prominent nail-like teeth. Sea cucumbers are echinoderms from the class Holothuroidea, or HLJRDI, Holthuroidae, Hoel. They are benthic marine animals found on the seafloor worldwide, and the number of known holothuroid species worldwide is about 1,786, with the greatest number being in the Asia-Pacific region. We've reached the final entry on this tier. Horseshoe crabs are arthropods of the family Lemuridae and the only surviving Xiphosaurians. Despite their name, they are not crabs or even crustaceans. They are chelicerates, more closely related to arachnids like spiders, ticks, and scorpions. Eunice aphroditois is a benthic bristleworm of warm marine waters. It lives mainly in the Atlantic Ocean, but can also be found in the Indo-Pacific. 2. It ranges in length from less than 10 centimeters, 4 in, to nearly 3 meters, 10 feet. The frilled shark, Chlamydoselaches sanguineus, also known as the lizard shark, is one of the 2 extant species of shark in the family Chlamydoselacidae. The other is the southern African frilled shark. The sarcastic fringehead, Neoclinus blanchardi, is a small saltwater tube blenny that possesses an extremely large, brightly colored mouth, which males display during territorial encounters, for which it has been given its common name. The black swallower, Chiasmodon niger, is a small, rare deep-sea fish known for its remarkable ability to swallow whole prey, such as other fish, that are up to twice its length and 10 times its mass, using an expandable stomach and hinged jaws. Barrel eyes, also known as spookfish, a name also applied to several species of chimera, a small deep-sea argentiniform fish comprising the family Opisthoproctidae found in tropical to temperate waters of the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. 1, 2, 3, 4. The wolf eel, Anorichthys ocellatus, is a species of marine ray-finned fish belonging to the family Anahichatidae, the wolf fish. It is found in the North Pacific Ocean. 2. Despite its common name and resemblance, it is not a true eel. The deep-sea hatchetfish is a tiny, bizarre marine fish of the subfamily Sternarcticinae that lives 200 to 1,500 meters deep in the ocean. It gets its name from its flat, thin body that looks like a hatchet blade. It uses glowing belly organs to hide from predators. The cookie-cutter shark, Isistius brasiliensis, also called the cigar shark, is a species of small squaliform shark in the family Delatiidae. This shark lives in warm, oceanic waters worldwide, particularly near islands, and has been recorded as deep as 3.7 kilometers, 2.3 miles. The stoplight loosejaws are small, deep-sea dragonfishes of the genus Malacosteus, classified either within the subfamily Malacostinae of the family Stomaidae or in the separate family Malacostidae. They are found worldwide, outside of the Arctic and subantarctic, in the mesopelagic and bathopelagic zones, below a depth of 500 meters, 1,600 feet. The giant oarfish, Regalicus glesni, is a species of oarfish of the family Regalicidae. It is an oceanodromous species with a worldwide distribution, excluding polar regions. Other common names include Pacific oarfish, king of herrings, and ribbonfish. The northern stargazer, Astroscopus gutidus, is a unique bottom-dwelling fish native to the Atlantic coast of the United States. It features an upward-facing mouth and eyes, a speckled dark body, the ability to deliver a mild electric shock, and venomous binds. The Pacific viperfish, Scholiotus macuni, is a predatory deep-sea fish found in the North Pacific. 1, 2. It is reported as being either mesopelagic, 1, or bathopelagic, with deal vertical migration to shallower waters. 2. The Pacific viperfish is one of the 9 different species that belong to the genus Scholiotus, the viperfish. Lampreys lampreys, sometimes inaccurately called lamprey eels, are a group of jawless fish composing the order Petromyzantiformes Petromyzontiformes, sole order in the class Petromyzontida. The adult lamprey is characterized by a toothed, funnel-like, sucking mouth. Warning, you are about to see the insides of a fish's mouth and a giant tongue-eating louse. People with entomophobia, please skip this part. I don't want any harm to viewers. Cymothoa exigua, also commonly known as the tongue-eating louse, is a parasitic isopod of the family Cymothoidae. As an ectoparasite, it lives on the outside of the host and is found throughout the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. The family Cranchiidae comprises the approximately 60 species of glass squid, also known as cockatoo squid, bathyscaphoid squid, cran squid, or simply cranchiids. 2. The common name glass squid derives from the transparent bodies of most species. Sea angels, Clade Gymnosomida, are a large group of small free-swimming sea slugs, classified into 6 separate families. They are pelagic opisthabranchs in the Clade Gymnosomida within the larger mollusk clade Heterobranchia. Sea angels were previously considered to be pteropods. The coelacanth is a rare, ancient lobe-finned fish once thought to have died out with the dinosaurs 65 million years ago. In 1938, a live specimen was found off South Africa. They grow up to 6.5 feet long, weigh around 200 pounds, and live in deep ocean caves. Members of the genus Lophius, commonly called monkfish, toadfish, 3. Sea frogs, 4. Fishing frogs, 5. Frogfish, 6. And sea devils, 7. Are various species of Lophiid anglerfishes found in the Atlantic and Indian Oceans. Maris orthicana is a species of pelagic siphonophore. 2. 3. A colonial animal composed of a complex arrangement of zooids, some of which are polyps and some medusae. Swimming independently in the mid-ocean, it lives in the Arctic and other cold, deep waters. 4. It is a colonial creature that is born from a single egg which is fertilized. Victorniella is a genus of deep-sea segmented marine worms belonging to the class Polychaeta and the family Chrysopetalidae. Known as carpet worms, these specialized annelids act as whalefall specialists, densely colonizing decaying whale skeletons on the deep ocean floor. A pram bug, Phronima, is a tiny, deep-sea crustacean. Females hollow out gelatinous zooplankton like salps to use as barrel-shaped floating nests, pushing their offspring through the ocean. Their eerie appearance inspired the xenomorph in the film Alien. A salp or salpa is a barrel-shaped, planktonic tunicate in the family Salpidae. The salp moves by contracting its gelatinous body in order to pump water through it. It is one of the most efficient examples of jet propulsion in the animal kingdom. The Venus flytrap sea anemone, Actinosiphia aurelia, is a large sea anemone that superficially resembles a Venus flytrap. It closes its tentacles to capture prey or to protect itself. It is a deep ocean species. Riftia is a monotypic genus of polychaete annelid worms in the Cyboglinidae family. 1, which contains the sole species Riftia pachyptela, commonly known as the giant tubeworm or giant beardworm. Kiwa hirsuta is a crustacean discovered in 2005 in the South Pacific Ocean. 2. This decapod, which is approximately 15 centimeters, 5.9 in, long, is notable for the quantity of silky blonde setae, resembling fur, covering its pariepods, thoracic legs, including claws. Its discoverers dubbed it the Yeti lobster or Yeti crab. 3. Sea pens are marine cnidarians belonging to the superfamily Pennachuloidea. They are fleshy colonial organisms anchored to the seabed, with tiny polyps embedded in a soft matrix. They have a cosmopolitan distribution, being found in tropical and temperate waters worldwide, from intertidal shallow waters to deep seas of more than 100 m, 20,000 feet. 1. The telescope octopus, Amphitriotus pelagicus, is a species of pelagic octopus found in tropical and subtropical regions of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. 3. 4. Gigantactus is a genus of marine rayfin fish belonging to the family Gigantactinidae, the whip-nose anglers. The fishes in this genus have a circumglobal distribution in the deep waters of the tropical and temperate zones of the Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans. Not to be confused with chimeras, 1, a cartilaginous fish in the order Chimeriformes, known informally as ghost sharks, rat fish, not to be confused with rat tails, spookfish, or rabbit fish. The last two names are also applied, respectively, to the rayfinned fish groups of Opisthoproctidae and Cyganidae. Chrysomalin squamiferum, commonly known as the scalyfoot gastropod, scalyfoot snail, sea pangolin, or volcano snail, is a species of deep-sea hydrothermal vent snail, a marine gastropod mollusk in the family Peltospiridae. The headless chickenfish is not a fish at all, but a rare deep-sea swimming sea cucumber, Enypniastes eximia, often nicknamed the headless chicken monster. It features a gelatinous, pinkish-red transparent body, webbed swimming fins, and grows up to 10 inches long. Zombie worms, scientifically known as Ozdax, Latin for bone devourer, are unusual deep-sea marine worms that live on the sunken skeletons of whales and other large vertebrates. The term cosmic jellyfish can refer to a rare deep-sea creature filmed by marine explorers or to a stunning type of galaxy in deep space. Further tiers won't have more entries, so it will be shorter. Lernia is a genus of copepod crustaceans whose members are commonly called anchorworms and are parasitic on freshwater fishes. A siphonophore is a fragile, free-swimming deep-sea colonial animal belonging to the same group as jellyfish and corals, Cnidaria. Though it looks like a single, long organism, each specimen is actually a complex chain composed of thousands of specialized, genetically identical clones called zooids that work together to survive. Pelagic abyssal worms are rare, specialized marine polychaetes and ribbon worms that drift or swim in the open water columns of the deep ocean. Unlike bottom-dwelling kin, they feature unique adaptations like transparent bodies, gelatinous coats, and bioluminescent defense mechanisms to survive miles below the surface. Xenophyophores are giant, single-celled protists belonging to the foraminifera group that live on the deep seafloor. In July 2011, researchers from the Scripps Institution of Oceanography discovered them living at a record depth of 6.6 miles, 10,641 meters, in the Sirena Deep of the Mariana Trench. Carnivorous abyssal sea sponges are rare deep-sea predators belonging to the family Cladorhizidae. Unlike normal sponges that filter water for tiny bits of food, these species use tiny hook-like spicules that act like Velcro to catch small swimming crustaceans like amphipods. They then slowly wrap around their prey and digest it. This is the final tier of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bigfin squids are a group of rarely seen cephalopods found in deep-sea zones with a distinctive morphology. They are placed in the genus Magnapinna and family Magnapinidae. Hirondelia gigas is a tiny, shrimp-like crustacean called an amphipod. It lives in the deepest parts of the ocean, down to 11,000 meters in the Mariana Trench. It grows to about 2 to 5 centimeters long and survives crushing pressure and extreme cold using unique body chemistry. Hadal spoonworms are deep-sea marine invertebrates belonging to the Echiura subclass that inhabit the extreme pressures and dark environments of ocean trenches, Hadal zone, depths below 6,000 meters. Pseudolaparus swirae, the Mariana snailfish or Mariana Hadal snailfish, is a species of snailfish found at Hadal depths in the Mariana Trench in the western Pacific Ocean. 2, 3, F4, 5. It is known from a depth range of 6,198 to 8,076 m, 20,335 to 26,496 feet, 6, including a capture at 7,966 meters, 26,135 feet, which is possibly the record for a fish caught on the seafloor. The wolf-trap anglerfish, encompassing genera like Leishignathus and Thormatichthes, is a rare deep-sea fish living 1,200 to 4,000 meters down. It features an enormous, hinged upper jaw lined with long, curved teeth that snaps down over a smaller lower jaw like a biological mousetrap or cage. Telescope fish are small, deep-sea or lopiform fish classified in the small family Giganturidae. Telescope fish can be found at the depths of 2,000 meters underwater. The two species are within the genus Gigantura. Though rarely captured, they are found in cold, deep tropical to subtropical waters worldwide. Thank you guys for watching. I spent so long making this video, I hope I just get a few likes.